What's up, everybody? It's Epticz Gaming. Back to a brand new video. Now today we're gonna be doing a tutorial on how to install Sirens that are FiveM ready and not FiveM ready. I figured this would help y'all who love FiveM so much as I do. And yeah, if you want to see another tutorial on how to install custom graphics mods, leave a like on this video and comment saying you want to see it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all. See you in the video. Peace. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to install Sirens, FiveM ready Sirens into FiveM. Alright, first of all you want to come to the FiveM forum, and then we're going to scroll down to underneath FiveM Resource Development Modding. We're going to go into Releases, and then this is all of the releases for FiveM. So, if we want to go, and let's say we go to search, we go Siren, or something similar to that. Let's go for this one, because I prefer Rumblers, it's just me. I'm going to go ahead and download it here. I already know how to install it, so I don't need to see all that. Download anyway. I'm just going to go ahead and place this on my desktop here. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to need OpenIV to start off. That's the main thing you're going to need is the program called OpenIV. Okay, I have it. It's just not on my desktop, or at least I'm blind and I just don't fucking see it. So we're just going to type in OpenIV, which is there. And we're going to go to select Windows Grand Theft Auto 5. It looks like I got installed a new update, so give me a moment to do that. Alright, so since there's a title update and I haven't updated that, let me update that. Okay, now that we did that, what you want to do is in my mods folder, you want to have your x64 in your mods folder here, which your x64 is located here. What you want to do is just create like a folder and then just paste it in your game directory. And then so yeah, go to mods, x64, go to audio, SFX, resident.rpf, and then you can either, since we're only dealing with resident right now, let me see where it's saved to. There it is. You can just drag and drop that just straight in there like that, or you can go hit edit mode. I almost forgot to do that. But yeah, you can just drag and drop it, and that's how you do that. Now, to do it without it being FiveM ready, it's easy, but it's going to take some patience. So what you're going to do is, I'm just going to name a folder called Sounds. I don't care, that's close enough. And we're going to go ahead and go on lcpdfr.com and go do that. Bam, just like that. Go to downloads, go to audio. And we're going to go ahead and look for a new siren. Here's one right here. We're just going to go ahead and download that here. And then I'm just going to install it to my desktop because I'm going to be uninstalling it soon anyway, because this is not the siren I'm using personally, but it's just for an example. So you want to open it, and then right here, close, and bring it back because it always does that. And then these, so what you want to do, since you have these WAV files here, what you want to go do is you want to go to your resident RPF, okay? You want to go extract, and we're going to extract it. Sorry, that's my fault, not there. You go to extract to open formats, and what that will do is that it will turn it into, if we see here, it'll turn it into a .aoc or OAC, sorry, dyslexia. And it got the vehicles folder here. This is all the sounds for the vehicles. That's the door sound. You know, there's indicators. And then there's like a bunch of low revs A. You know, there's a bunch of vehicle sounds in here essentially. And so what you want to do with what this is you want to drag it like this, grab it, and you want to just drag and drop like that. I'm not going to do it because I like the sign I already have and I don't want to mess it up. Well, hold up there. As of editing this video, as you can see, I'm editing now. I realized I had forgot something. Something very, very important. So, okay. So, we're going to go back. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. It's all in my face. We're going to go back to OpenIV. Alright, so we're loading it up now. So, one thing I forgot to show you that's it's crucial, okay? It's very crucial to what we need to do. So, after... Okay, so listen. After we did the open formats thing, right? As I still got my my thing here, this folder here, is you want to go to edit mode, and then go back to your mods folder, the x64, the audio, the SFX, the Resident RPF, and then hold up, shut the fuck up, TeamSpeak. You know, me shut TeamSpeak. All right. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go new, import open formats, and see where it says vehicle.aoc. Click on it, hit open, bam, schniggly, bam, and you got a new siren inside your GTA. You're welcome. Back to pre-editing me, whatever. Personally, like my siren. But that's how you do it without it being FiveM ready. Don't forget, if you want to join UGDPS, I have the links up here on screen. And today, they're going to be in the links down below in the description. I really hope you enjoy, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Love you all. Peace.